My husband and daughter were involved in a head-on collision. He was pulled over to the side of the road and someone hit him head-on. When I got the call, it was scary. I immediately wanted to make sure everyone was okay. My husband was in a bad state, but my daughter was fortunately unharmed. Getting the legal help that we needed was step number one. Valent Legal was the first place we reached out to, and I'm so glad we did. They understood just emotionally and financially what we were going through. They gave us guidance on where to go and what, types of services might be helpful for Pat, and made us just feel like there was hope. I mean, there's just no way to explain how our experience with Valent Legal has made moving forward possible. Can't thank them enough.